Ever wondered how much cash you should keep at home for those just-in-case moments? Well, today we're diving into the world of emergency cash stashes. We're talking cash on hand. Now, this is not your true emergency fund that you would keep at a bank. That would be the 3 to 6 months of expenses. This would be the cash you have on hand at home. We've all been there. Power's out. ATMs aren't working. Publix is not accepting your debit card, and you need cash and you need it now. So, how much cash should you keep at home for emergencies? Let's break it down and find out. First off, you've got to assess your needs. Start by thinking about your monthly essentials. How much do you spend on groceries, gas, and other must-haves? How much would you need to get by if everything went dark for a week? Then think short-term. We're not prepping for the apocalypse here, just a short-term blip. Think 1 week to a month, tops. If your weekly essentials cost $200, then $800 for a month should be a good starting point. And you probably don't need a go bag loaded with bricks of cash, just enough to get you by. Be sure to keep it safe. Where you stash your cash matters. Everyone knows to look under the bed. Consider a fireproof and waterproof safe. It keeps your money secure and protects it from unexpected disasters. And there's nothing wrong with small bills. You don't have to do as bank robbers do in the movies, but small bills can make life easier in emergencies. It could be tough to buy a loaf of bread with a $100 bill when nobody has any change. So a mix of 1s, 5s, 10s, and 20s should take care of it. Don't overdo it though. While being prepared is good, you don't need to turn your home into a bank branch. Remember, money at home doesn't grow. It just sits there. So balance between having an emergency stash and letting your money work for you elsewhere. Even your 3 to 6 month emergency fund will likely earn something sitting at the bank. And be sure to review and adjust. As life changes, so do your needs. Maybe you moved, had a baby, or adopted a German Shepherd. Whatever it is, review your stash every so often. Adjust the amount based on your current situation and expenses. And there you have it. A few thoughts on deciding how much cash to keep at home for emergencies. Remember, it's all about being prepared, not paranoid.